In this problem, we'll look at parallel and perpendicular lines. We'll determine whether the graphs of the equations given are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines have slopes whose product is -1. So the first thing we need to do is determine the slope of each graph. In order to determine the slope, we can write the equation in slope-intercept form. This second equation is already written in slope-intercept form, and we can read directly from it that the slope of this graph is 2. The other equation is 2x plus 5y equals 2, and we want to solve that for y. First, we subtract 2x from both sides, and we have 5y equals the opposite of 2x plus 2. And then we multiply both sides by 1/5, which gives us y equals 1/5 times the opposite of 2x plus 2. And multiplying through, we have y equals -2/5 x plus 2/5. This is now written in slope-intercept form, and we can read that the slope of this line is -2/5. Now we can see directly that 2 is not the same as -2/5, so the graphs are not parallel. If we multiply 2 times -2/5, we get -4/5. That is not -1. So we also know that the graphs are not perpendicular. So the answer to this is that they are neither parallel nor perpendicular.